have a donor.
Sir, please, may we come to meet you?
Some of you know people that have
My
a
name is
feeling.
High Chief
It may be your brother, it may be your sister, but you are afraid that when you remove one of your kidney, you will die.
Why are we here today?
You
Yes,
will not
it is a yearly
help
event.
one another. Those that have a kidney failure, if you
Cultural
can give to
festival.
them, it doesn't
But this
matter
year is
either
going to
your
be
blood
different
sister
because we
or
are
your
launching our
blood brother.
2026
Please go ahead
Made in
and give.
Almanac. So that's why.
And as you do so,
Okay,
may
how will you
God
describe the event
bless
today, sir?
each and
Yes,
every
it's
one
fine.
of
No,
you
it's a
in
cultural.
Jesus' name.
It's a
I
cultural
pray.
heritage. It's something
Please, if
we inherited from our forefathers.
I want to use this opportunity because our place is very, very far. To give you
So that Igbos,
the
there
gift,
are Igbos that find it difficult to
I
talk.
have to present for you concerning
So
this
far, so
occasion.
good things are going the way.
As I say, the highest gift I offer
Okay, now, sir,
is prayer,
now we're here today. What advice do
and
you,
this is
as you
another
know,
gift
as you
I want to
know,
offer you.
this very Ukwu in Mushi, what
please.
advice do you have to give to Ndigbo in Mushi generally in living harmoniously with their host community?
Well, for some time now, there have been, rumors of problems between Igbos, Yoruba, which I don't actually know the reason.
So I am presenting this gift because of your heart.
We
Wait.
are in their place. I will advise
It
us.
takes a man who has a lion heart to be a helper
I will
to
advise
people.
us to keep living in
Sometimes in my office, I will come in the morning. I will see 6 or 7 people
misunderstanding and
sitting and
misconception.
crying.
You know,
I will
a
ask
good
them,
number
they
of
will tell me
them.
their problem. I say, you.
A good number of them are being convinced
I don't have
into
that
having
money
issues
to help.
with us, even baselessly.
Some will
But
say,
I will always advise our people
I want to
to always be tolerant.
And when I force
calm.
that
They know
person
exactly
to go, if
why
that
they are
person
here. So that at the end
refuses,
of the day, they achieve the reason
the
they are
only
here.
person I will
And
call, the
go back
assistant,
to our home.
that whenever I call them, very video call.
Your name once again, sir.
As I see a woman lying down here, please, what can I do?
Do you know
If
the
there is
traditional
number
prime
one,
minister?
that whenever I
Thank you
call
very
him,
much, sir.
You're welcome, sir.